This week you're giving that one. Next week, inform me Monday itself what test you give, huh? Because I can do this. Okay.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all. Today present only 5 members. 6 members. Today competitive class.
Sir, full class.
Full class competitive. This week total
Today?
competitive class.
So the other math students didn't have any class this week?
Other? See,
So
Mona.
pardon sir?
Tell Mona Lisa.
So the regular, I mean the board students wouldn't have class this whole week?
Board students.
Yes, sir.
Attend board students also. KSET level is there, no?
So which topic are you doing?
Sequence and series. This week sequence and series and straight lines. Ananya,
Yes, sir.
in last class and before classes, which topic is complete? Relation between AM, GM, HM, right? Competitive.
Yes, sir.
Relation between AM, GM, HM. Completed, no?
Just a second, sir. I'll check. So you gave like 6 questions, and seventh question was homework.
Seventh question, huh?
Yeah, that was homework.
Homework, huh? Which question? Question tell.
Show that A1 by A2 plus A2 by A3 plus A3 by A4 plus AN minus 1 by AN plus AN by A1
Done.
is greater than N, where A1, A2, AN are different positive integers.
Positive integers, right?
Can you do that, so I didn't do it?
Okay. Seventh problem, right, Ananya?
Yeah.
Okay. Show that A1 upon A2, A2 upon A3 plus A3 upon A4 plus so on plus how you wrote exam today, Ananya?
So it was fine only.
Fine, okay.
Shall I send you the question paper?
Send. My WhatsApp number is there. WhatsApp number send.
I think I don't have.
78299 77789.
So can you share the question paper? Sir?
Hello, Mona Lisa.
So could you share the question paper?
Which question paper? I don't have
Yeah,
question
this
paper.
book. Okay, so, or could you like put it on the group or something?
Okay, wait. Ananya, send Ananya.
Yeah, sir. 2 minutes. I'm sending.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I sent it.
Okay. See,
So in
so
that paper, I have a doubt in one question. That is the probability question.
then last task, last 5 to 10 minutes is there.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. See, show that A1 upon A2 plus A2 upon A3 plus A3 upon A4 plus so on plus AN minus 1 upon AN plus AN upon A1 greater than N, where A1 comma A2 so on AN are different positive integers. Then here X1, let us take AM is greater than or equal to GM. AM is greater than or equal to GM for n terms. For n terms. For n terms. Now here AM is equal to AM A1 upon A2 plus A2 upon A3 plus so on plus AN upon A1. Understood? Whole upon
2.
n, whole upon
So why?
n
Oh,
terms,
okay,
no?
okay. Yeah.
N terms, no? Whole upon n is greater than or equal to GM. GM A1 upon A2 into A2 upon A3 into so on AN upon A1 whole to the power of 1 by n, right? Whole to the power of 1 by n. Now get cancel. Here cancel all. Now here A1 upon A2 plus A2 upon A3 plus so on plus AN upon A1 whole upon n is greater than or equal to 1, right? Is greater than or equal to 1. That
So can
implies
you explain again from the part A1 by A2 into A2 by A3, like?
here
Yeah, the whole
here
equation.
is given, no, already
Yeah, that by n, that
by
I
n is
understood.
greater than or equal to A1 upon A2 into A2 upon A3 into so on AN upon A1 whole to the power of 1 by n.
That is geometric
See,
mean.
under root AB, right?
Got it.
Now here all cancel. Then is it greater than or equal to 1? Now send aside A1 upon A2 plus A2 upon A3 plus so on plus AN upon N is greater than or equal to N. Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
This class will be till 9.
Till 9, up to 9.
2 hours
So
of.
can you keep till 8:30 only?
I mean,
Because
sir, half of the people aren't even there. Nagabhushan.
yes, sir. And we have exam also, so we need to study, you know.
Okay. Okay. Up to 8:30 I will take. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mona Lisa.
So I have a doubt in a different question. Can I ask that now, or should I ask it at the end?
Tell.
I have doubt in a question, so can I ask that now?
Which questions?
In a different question, sir. Like,
Not now.
can I join at 8:30 and ask, sir?
You send questions in WhatsApp, through WhatsApp. I will send answer. Mona Lisa.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how many questions?
So one.
One question only, no? Send question.
Okay, sir.
Oh. Done. Ashish, understood, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next problem, eighth one. If x comma y comma z positive integers, then value of expression x plus y into y plus z into z plus x is options. Option A is equal to 8xy z. Option B is greater than 8xyz. Option C is less than 8xyz. Option D is equal to 4xyz. Is equal to 4xyz. Tell me answer. Which option is correct, Ananya?
So just a second, I'm doing. So X, Y, Z are in AP.
Hmm. X, Y, Z is positive integers. Then the value of expression. This type of model very, very important. See here, x plus y plus z, and z plus x. Now here, am is greater than or equal to gm. Okay. Now x plus y upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root xy,
X, Y.
comma, same thing y plus z, right? Y plus z upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root yz. Then same thing z plus x, right? Z plus x upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root zx, right? Now here x plus y is greater than or equal to 2 root xy. Y plus z is greater than or equal to 2 root yz. Z plus x is greater than or equal to 2 root zx, right? Understood? Then given condition is x plus y into y plus z into z plus x is greater than or equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, correct? Eight into root xy, root yz, root zx. X square, y
2
square,
root.
z square. Square root get cancelled, then x, y, z. Okay.
So wait, how is the square root getting cancelled?
See, under root xy into yz into zx.
Yeah. Got it.
X square, understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir. Got it.
X square under root x square, y square, z square, right? Square root get cancelled. Okay, then x, y, z.
So,
Mona Lisa?
so can we get it by considering x plus y, y plus z, and z plus x as the terms in AP and GP?
AP?
So can we get it by considering x plus y, y plus z, and z plus x as three terms in AP and GP?
Okay.
Can we get it by that way?
That way, na? That way is not possible. That is relation between AM, GM, HM. Already you know, concept you know. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Already I am teaching concept, relation between AM, GM, HM. AM means A plus B by 2. AM. GM
So it's option B,
under
right?
root AB. Correct?
We just do the question once.
Prajwal,
Yeah.
tell.
So could you just do it once, like?
See, AM is greater than GM. See here, x plus y. X plus y by 2 is greater than under root xy. See, what is that AM? A plus B by 2. And GM under root AB, right? Prajwal?
Yes.
Same thing right here. X plus y upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root xy.
Okay.
Comma. Then separate, right?
Okay. Okay. I
Y
understand.
plus z upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root yz. Same thing, z plus x, right? Then after that, x plus y is greater than or equal to, send cross multiply 2 into under root xy. Here 2 into under root yz. Here 2 into under root zx, right?
Yes, sir.
Then product is x plus y plus z and z plus x into is greater than or equal to 8 into under root x square y square z square. Correct? xy, yz and zx. X into x square, y into y square, z into z square. Right?
Yes, sir. I
Now,
understood now.
square root get cancelled. Then greater than or equal to 8 xyz. Then option B is the right option. Done, all of you understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shiraj Nair,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next problem. Minimum value of the expression from eighth question, K-set level. From ninth also K-set. The minimum value of expression 3x plus 3 power 1 minus x. 3x plus 3 power 1 minus x or 3 power x. Wait. That's it. 3 power x, this one. 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x. X belongs to R is. Now option A, 0. Option B, 1 by 3. Option C, 3. Option D, 2 root 3. Done, all of you done? Ninth one. Which option is correct?
2 minutes, sir.
Very simple problem.
So is it option D?
Ah, yes, correct, Ananya. Correct. All of you got option D? Option D is the right option.
So could you solve it?
Ah, okay, okay. We have AM is greater than or equal GM. Now here 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root 3 power x into 3 power 1 minus x. 3 power x into 3 power 1 minus x. Then 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x upon 2 is greater than or equal to, the bases are equal, power should be added. Now here minus x plus x get cancelled, then root 3. Okay. Now here 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 2, denominator 2, cross multiply 2 root 3. Therefore, minimum value of, therefore, minimum value of 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x is 2 root 3. Understood all of you? Very simple problem. Then same model, but for done, all of you done? Then next, relation between AM, GM, HM, these type of models completed.
So basically for every sum we simply have to do AM greater than GM. A greater than equal to GM, right?
So suppose here minimum value of 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x.
Yeah. So
Then,
4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x by 2 greater than equal to root of
yes.
4.
If A comma B comma C, 10th one, respectively, the pth and qth and rth elements of a GP, elements of a GP, then then delta is equal to determinant log A, log B, log C, P, Q, R, 1, 1, 1 equal to option A 1, option B 0, option C -1, option D none.
So,
Tell.
so will you be revising this chapter again? Limits and derivatives.
Limits and derivatives.
So will you be revising this chapter again?
Limits and derivatives are limits completed, derivatives not complete.
Okay, sir.
Only limits complete.
No, can you revise that topic, sir?
Yes, once again I will revise next year.
So for this year, I missed when that was taught. So,
Okay.
sir, and could you also do the supplementary material in textbook?
Supplementary material.
Sir,
Ashes.
sir, actually, I'm gonna log in through my other device. So can you just let me in from that? I'm gonna exit from this one.
Okay, Ashes. Tell Ananya, answer. Which option is correct?
So can you do it?
Huh?
How do you do this?
Determinant find. First determinant find. Determinant. How to find determinant, you know? Determinant, you don't know, right? Okay. See, if any determinant is given, listen, first determinant 2 into 2, A, B, C, D is given. Determinant of A, B, C, D, 2 into 2. Then A into D minus B into C. Understood? 2 into 2 matrix determinant A into D minus B into C. Suppose 3 into 3. First element is positive, second element is negative. Here negative, here positive. Okay, signs. Now 3 into 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Suppose is given 3 into 3. Now here signs is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, then again positive, negative, positive. 3 into 3, any either row or column take, any one. Row take A into A into this row and this column is deleted. This row and this column deleted. Remaining 4 elements, right? Remaining 4 elements, E into I. E into I minus F into H. Minus, sign minus, minus B into, minus B into, minus B into, this,
DC.
see, this row and this column deleted, remaining 4 elements. 4 elements.
So
Then D into
what
I.
is that below F?
Below F. I. Okay, numbers take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So
6,
what was written there?
7,
A
8, 9.
into
Wait,
E
we'll explain
into
numbers.
I.
Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now here 1 into 5 into 9 minus 6 into 8. Okay, minus 2 into 4 into 9 minus 6 into 7 plus 3 into 4 into 8 minus 5 into 7. Understood? Now here I am taking row 1, 1 into 5, 6, 8, 9. This row and this column deleted and the remaining 4 elements right. Okay, Ananya? Same thing, minus 2. Minus 2 into 4, 6, 7, 9. 4 into 9 minus 6 into 7. Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Then next 3 plus 3 into 4 into 8. 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay. This row and this column deleted. Remaining 4. These 4. Now 4 into 8 minus 5 into 7. 5 into 7. Understood? Same thing like that. Here write determinant of log A into this row, this column deleted. Remaining 4 right. Understood?
So that's pth, qth, and rth element.
Pth element. Pth element is equal to pth element. Pth elemental. That implies A is equal to capital
So
A,
1 minute.
capital R, P minus 1, power of P minus 1. Next, B is equal to qth element. Qth element B. B is equal to A into R power Q minus 1. A R power N minus 1, right? Formula, nth term? Ananya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing, right? A is equal to A R power P minus 1. A R power Q minus 1. C is equal to A R power R minus 1. Then after that, determinant find. Determinant find. Okay, Ananya? Coming, Ananya. Got it, Ananya?
1 minute, sir.
Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
done?
Done.
Which option is correct?
So this is what I got. It's either one. I'm just. Is
One.
it the first option is one, right?
One. Second option is 0.
Okay.
Huh.
I don't know. I got one.
1 is wrong.
Okay. Is it 0?
Yes, 0 is right option.
It just cancels each other out.
Yes, yes.
So this is which exam? This is for KSET.
This one is?
KSET level. The level.
Yes, yes. Today total KSET problems and the next class mains.
So in place of P, Q, R, we are supposed to substitute this A, R, P minus 1 and A, R, Q minus 1, right?
Yes, yes, correct. Log into R power, all elements is cancelled, then 0 only, right? Log 1 is coming. Log 1 is 0.
So how are we getting 0?
Hmm. See, log into R power P into R minus Q plus Q into P minus R plus and R into P minus Q. Then cancel, no? Here multiply all. Ananya?
Oh, we have to write P.
This one before step is P into log R
So
power.
what I wrote is log A into Q minus R minus log B into P minus R plus log C into P minus Q.
Then after that P into log C by A, C by B, log C minus log B. Q into log A minus log C plus R into log B minus log A. Log formula apply, log A by B. log A minus log B. Before step. Then C and B values is substituting. AR power P minus 1 upon AR power Q minus 1. Then R power R minus Q. Done, Anya?
So how are you getting P into R minus Q and all? Like from log, how do you get that?
See, log A into Q minus R plus log B into R minus P.
P minus R, no?
P minus R. I'm
Yeah.
writing P, R
P.
minus P. Minus is there now here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Plus log C into P minus Q is equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Not 0.
Is equal to delta, I guess.
Delta. Now here log C into P minus Q. Log C into P minus Q, log B. Log C into P minus Q, then log B into R minus P, then log A into log C. Okay. See here, log A into Q minus R. See here, log A into Q minus R can be written as see here, multiply.
Now here in Q, we substitute AR power Q minus 1.
R log A. Huh? Tell.
Oh, nothing.
Multiply
Sir,
here.
shouldn't you substitute AR power Q minus 1 here? Then
Then first multiply R log B minus P log B plus P log C minus Q log C. Okay. P log B, P log C. And minus R log A plus R log B. Okay. Then Q log A minus Q log C.
oh, here it gets cancelled.
Not cancel. How cancel?
Okay, yeah, I don't.
How cancel? Here P common.
Yeah, sir.
These two P common. P common means log C minus log B, right? Plus Q common. Q common means here log
A minus log C. Log A minus log C.
Log A minus log C. Plus R common. R common means, where is that? Here. Log B minus log A, right?
Yeah.
log b minus log a. Now understood? P into. Now here apply this formula. Log c minus log b. Log c by b. Okay. Log c by b. P into log c by b plus q into log a by c plus r into log b by a. Understood, Ananya? Now
Yeah, sir.
here substituting here.
Okay, okay.
Now understood all of you? P log c by b, where a is equal to ar power p minus 1 and b is equal to ar power q minus 1 and c is equal to ar power r minus 1. Now here substituting. R power here p into log a r power r minus 1 upon a r power b q minus 1, right? Then same thing here, q into log a r power p minus 1 upon a r power c r minus 1 plus r into log b. B means a r power p q minus 1 upon a r power r minus 1. Okay. B by a, right? Okay, p minus 1. P minus 1. Now here a get cancelled. Now here r minus p into log r power r minus q plus q into log r power p minus r plus r into log r power q minus p. Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Then after that, log r power log r power p into r minus q plus q into r minus p minus r plus r into q minus p. Okay. Then is equal to, here all cancel, then it is log 1 is equal to 0. Option B is the right option. Option B. Let T be the rth term of AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. If for some positive integers, integers m comma n Tm is equal to 1 upon n and Tn is equal to 1 upon m. Then a minus d is equal to a minus d is equal to option A 1 upon m plus 1 upon n. Option B 1. Option C 1 upon mn. Option D.
Could you read out the question once? Just the
See,
question.
let T be the rth term of AP. T be the rth term of AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. Whose first term A, common difference is D. If for some positive integers m comma n, where m is not equal to n, where m is not equal to n, Tm is equal to 1 upon n, Tm is equal to 1 upon n, and Tn is equal to 1 upon m, then a minus d is equal to a minus d is equal to.
So what's the general formula for like Tn?
Huh?
So what is the general formula for Tn? Like,
What is the formula? A plus m minus 1 into d. Tm is
yeah,
equal
yeah,
to
understand. Yeah.
Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then find is equal to 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon m. Then cancel a minus 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 get cancel. Now m minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 upon m. Now here d is equal to common difference, I think 1 upon mn. A also 1 upon mn. Then answer is very simple problem, but important.
So 0, right? Answers.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
0. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then next problem.
So I just did it in a different way, but in the end, even I got A is equal to D, so that's okay, right?
A is equal to
D. A is
uh,
equal to D, so A minus D is 0.
a minus d find.
Yeah, 0. Answer.
Answer is 0. Correct. Option D is the right option. The value of next problem. The value of the value of 2 power 1 upon 4 into 2 power 4 power 1 upon 16 into 8 power 1 upon 48 into so on infinity is equal to option A root 2, option B 2, option C 2 power 1 upon 4, option D 1.
So just one thing. What was the sum of a GP formula? I forgot what the formula was.
Sum of
A GP.
infinite terms of GP.
Yeah. That
Infinite sum of GP. Infinite is equal to A upon 1 minus R.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Now here 2 power
Is it
1
A?
upon
A.
option A.
Yes.
Absolutely correct, Prajwal. Option A is the right option. Then all of you done? See here 2 power 1 upon 4, 2 square whole to the power of
So it becomes
1
2 to
upon
the
16, 2 cube whole to the power of 1 upon 48, then 2 power 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 16, 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16 plus so on infinity.
Yeah, that's what I just forgot the formula.
Yes, correct. Then we will get answer. Okay. Then next.
So next question.
Okay, in a GP of positive elements, in a GP of positive elements, if any element is equal to, if any element is equal to the sum of the next two elements, next two elements, then the common ratio of the GP is, then the common ratio of the GP is option A sin 18 degree, option B 2 cos 18 degree, option C cos 18 degree, option D 2 sin 18 degree, 2 sin 18 degree.
So could you do this one?
See, in a GP of positive element of any element is equal to the sum of next two elements. What is that meaning?
So A will be equal to
Tn is equal to Tn plus 1 plus Tn plus 2.
yeah, that only.
Now here AR power n minus 1 is equal to AR power n plus AR power n plus AR power n plus 1. Then after that, here AA get cancelled. Now here R power n into R power n
So
into
not
1 upon R, right? Okay.
okay.
R power n minus 1 can be written as R power n into R 1 upon R is equal to R power n plus R power n
Into R.
into R. Okay. Then here R power n common. R power n common means 1 plus R, right? Here R power n into 1 upon R. Then after that, here R power n get cancelled. Okay. Then R square plus R minus 1 is equal to 0. R square plus R minus 1 is equal. Then here quadratic equation, find quadratic equation. R is equal to minus B plus R minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A.
But like how do you convert this into the trigonometry thingy?
So first find Prajwal.
Okay, sir.
Done?
So
Prajwal?
I'm not getting it exactly.
Not getting.
Where I'm still
See
trying.
here, minus b is here 1. Minus 1 plus or minus under
So
root 1
ideally
minus 4
0 or
into 1 into minus 1 upon 2. Okay.
so wait, C is 0, no? Like where did you C should
C
be
is 0
0.
na.
Oh yes, okay, understood.
C is 1 minus 1. Then here minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 plus 4, 5. 5
Yeah, so you
upon
get
2.
-1,
Correct?
yeah.
R is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 5 upon 2. Then R is equal to, that implies R is equal to R is equal to
Also, I don't know the value of sine 18.
positive element of any element is equal to the common ratio, then the, yes, correct. 2 into 2 multiply and divided by 2 here. Here 2 multiply and divided by minus plus or minus under root 1 minus 5 upon 4, right?
Yes.
Now here positive element take 2 into root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Root 5 minus 1 upon 4, only positive.
So is it 2 sine 18 or something?
Yes, 2 sine 18 degree. Then fourth option is right option.
I just didn't know the value of sine 18 and cos 18 like by heart.
Okay. Then next. The AM and GM of two numbers the AM and GM of two numbers are in the ratio 3:2. 3:2. Then the ratio of the numbers is option A 7 minus 3 root 5 is to 2. Option B 7 plus 3 root 5 is to 2. Option C 2 is to 7 minus 3 root 5. Option D 2 is to 7 plus 3 root 5.
So basically AM by GM is 3 by 2.
3:2.
Yeah. And we need to find the ratio between like the first,
Hmm.
second thing.
Ratio between
The first element and the second element, A and B.
a square minus g square. A plus under root a square minus g square is to a is to g is equal to 3:2, right?
Yes, sir.
The numbers are in the ratio. The numbers are in the ratio. A under a plus under root a square minus g square is to a minus under root a square minus g square. Okay,
How do you get this part?
this is the formula.
Oh, okay, it's a formula.
Ah,
I think I missed it.
the numbers are in the ratio a plus under root a square minus g square is to a minus under root a square minus g square.
Okay, now you can take A as A plus B by 2, G as root AB. Like that we can.
No. Direct substituting here. 3 plus under root 3 square minus
Oh, is this just direct straight away you can
2
substitute?
square is to now a 3 minus under root 3 square minus 2 square.
Oh, this is easy. Okay. Good.
Then calculate.
So is it 7 minus 3 root 5 by 2? A option
Option
A. A
7 minus 3 root 5.
7 plus plus it's 7. It's option B.
Yes, correct. Option B is the right option.
So it's just that we did this chapter like so long ago. I've forgotten some of the formulas here and there.
Okay. If if 9 times the 9 times the ninth element of an AP, ninth element of an AP is equal to 13th element, 13th element, then the 22nd element of the AP, then the 22nd element of the AP. Option A 0, option B 22, option C 220, option D 198. Tell me answer, Prajwal.
Doing, sir. So, but I'm just guessing right now because obviously, like, is it 220? Just guessing.
Guessing, huh?
Yeah, I haven't done the question yet.
Okay.
Is
Do,
it?
do, do. Wrong.
It's the 13th element of the same AP, no?
Hmm.
So the first formula will be 9a plus n minus 1d is equal to a plus 13 minus 1d. That
Yes,
only.
correct.
Yeah, I'm just doing. A is equal to minus 15 by 2d, no?
A is equal to?
Minus 15 by 2d. Am I going on the right path?
Okay.
And then I can just put it in the second. A 22 is equal to a plus 21d and substitute.
22nd element is
Okay, I just have to find what d is also. 1 second.
hmm. 9 into A plus 8D is equal to 13 into A plus 12D.
Yes, just 1 second. I'm almost getting.
Four A plus 84D is equal to 0. Then 4 common. A plus 21D is equal to 0. A plus 21D is equal to 0. Then 22nd element is 0, right?
So I'm doing something wrong. I'm getting 220 at once.
220, yeah. Wrong,
Yeah,
wrong.
I'm getting it wrong. Is it 198?
No, wrong.
Going off.
Zero answer. 9 into a plus 8d is equal to 13 into a plus 12d, right?
No. Wait, you said it's equal to 13th element.
13th element.
So shouldn't it
13th
be
element of the AP. 13th element of the AP.
okay?
Ah,
But in this you have done 13 into 13th element. Like the
13 into.
formula which you wrote,
Ah,
it's like 13
wait,
into
wait.
the 13th element.
Okay, wrong. Question is 13 times.
Yeah,
13
that's
times into
I'm going
13th
wrong.
element.
Okay.
Okay. Then here 9 into 8 plus 8d and a plus 12d. Now here
Then the answer
4,
will be
4a plus 84d is equal to 0.
Hmm.
Then 4 common, a plus 21d is equal to 0. Then a plus 21d is equal to 0. Then 22nd element is 0.
So then I'm innocent, sir. It's not my
Okay.
fault.
Then first option is right option.
Yes, sir. This one was not my fault.
Okay. My fault only. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Prajwal.
Can we leave?
Okay. Leave.
Okay,
Leave.
thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye.